Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of homesteading. We'll be exploring 20 money-saving tips inspired by the self-sufficient lifestyles found in Homestead Living. Homesteading is a way of life that promotes self-reliance, sustainability, and a deep connection with nature. Whether you're an experienced homesteader, just starting out on your journey, or simply curious about this lifestyle, you're in for a treat. So let's dive into the wealth of wisdom that homesteading has to offer. Tip 1. Grow your own food. Growing your own food is a cornerstone of homesteading. From a small backyard garden to a sprawling farm, cultivating your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs is not only satisfying, but also a fantastic money-saving endeavor. By reducing trips to the grocery store and having fresh produce at your fingertips, you'll save money and enjoy the taste and nutrition of homegrown goodness. Additionally, the knowledge and skills you gain from gardening will serve you well in other areas of homesteading. Tip 2. Preserving the harvest. When the harvest is abundant, homesteaders know how to make the most of it. Canning, pickling, drying, and freezing surplus fruits, vegetables, and herbs are common practices. By preserving the harvest, you extend its life, reduce food waste, and have a pantry stocked with homemade goodies that will keep you nourished and save you money throughout the year. The satisfaction of opening a jar of homemade jam or biting into a dried apple slice you preserved yourself is unmatched. Tip 3. Keeping chickens. Chickens are beloved companions in many homesteads. These feathered friends provide fresh eggs, help control pests in the garden, and even offer fertilizer in the form of their waste. By raising your own chickens, you'll have a sustainable source of protein, reduce reliance on store-bought eggs, and save money in the long run. Plus, the joy of hearing their clucks and watching them scratch around the yard is an added bonus. Tip 4. Maintenance and repairs. Self-sufficiency extends beyond food production in the homestead lifestyle. Homesteaders often acquire basic maintenance and repair skills. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, repairing a fence, or tackling minor electrical work, having these skills saves money on professional services and empowers you to take care of your homestead. Learning how to use basic tools and troubleshoot common issues will not only save you money, but also build your confidence and self-reliance. Tip 5. Make your own cleaners. Cleaning products can be expensive and packed with chemicals. Homesteaders embrace natural and cost-effective alternatives by making their own cleaners. With ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, essential oils, and other simple household items, you can create effective and eco-friendly cleaners that save you money while keeping your home clean and healthy. Plus, homemade cleaners are often safer for your family and the environment. Tip 6. Water conservation. Water is a valuable resource on a homestead, and homesteaders are experts at conserving it. Rainwater harvesting systems, water-efficient appliances, and practicing mindful water usage habits help reduce water consumption and lower water bills. By optimizing water usage, you not only save money, but also contribute to the sustainability of your homestead. Consider collecting rainwater for irrigation, or using gray water from activities like dishwashing, or using gray water from activities like dishwashing or laundry to water your plant. Every drop counts. Tip 7. Composting. Composting is a fundamental practice on the homestead. By composting kitchen scraps, yard waste, and even animal manure, you turn what would be discarded into nutrient-rich compost. This not only helps reduce waste and the need for synthetic fertilizers, but also saves money on purchasing compost or soil amendments. Compost is a goldmine for your garden, improving soil structure, fertility, and overall plant health. It's nature's way of recycling. Tip 8. Bartering and trading. The homesteading community thrives on a sense of interconnectedness and support. Bartering and trading goods or services with neighbors and fellow homesteaders are common practices. This creates a network of mutual assistance and allows you to obtain what you need without spending money. Whether it's swapping surplus garden produce, trading homemade goods, or exchanging skills, bartering and trading can be a fantastic way to save money and build relationships within your community. It's a beautiful manifestation of the homesteading spirit of cooperation and sharing. Tip 9. Cooking from scratch. Much like our grandmothers, homesteaders often embrace the art of cooking from scratch. By preparing meals using whole ingredients and avoiding prepackaged foods, you not only save money, but also prioritize your health and well-being. Cooking from scratch allows you to control the quality of ingredients, tailor recipes to your tastes and dietary needs, and explore the endless possibilities of homemade culinary delights. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about creating a meal from scratch and nourishing your loved ones with your own creations. Tip 10. Reducing electricity usage. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Homesteaders are conscious of their energy consumption and strive to reduce electricity usage. Simple practices like using natural light during the day, installing energy-efficient appliances, utilizing clotheslines instead of dryers, and implementing energy-saving habits all contribute to lower energy bills. By being mindful of electricity usage, you not only save money, but also decrease your environmental footprint. Harnessing the power of renewable energy such as solar panels or wind turbines is another great way to save money in the long term while minimizing reliance on the grid. Tip 11. Making your own clothes. While not everyone's cup of tea, making your own clothes can be a fulfilling and cost-saving endeavor in homesteading. Knitting, sewing, or repurposing fabrics allow you to create unique, high-quality garments tailored to your style and needs. It's a sustainable and creative way to save money on clothing while enjoying the satisfaction of wearing something you've crafted with your own hands. Plus, the process of making clothes can be a meditative and calming experience. Tip 12. Beekeeping. Beekeeping is an integral part of homesteading, providing not only honey, but also supporting pollination in your garden and surrounding area. By keeping bees, you can enjoy a sustainable source of sweet honey wax for candles and other products and foster a thriving garden ecosystem. Beekeeping allows you to connect with nature and learn about these incredible pollinators. It's a fascinating and rewarding aspect of homesteading that helps save money on honey and supports the natural world. Tip 13. Woodworking. Knowing basic woodworking skills opens up a world of possibilities on the homestead. From building structures like chicken coops and raised garden beds to creating furniture and crafting useful tools, woodworking allows you to save money on store-bought items and personalize your homestead with handmade creations. It's a practical and fulfilling skill that empowers you to become more self-sufficient. Additionally, working with wood allows you to reconnect with nature and appreciate its beauty and versatility. Tip 14. Frugal shopping and thrifting. Homesteaders are masters of frugal shopping and thriftiness. Whether it's sourcing secondhand tools and equipment, shopping sales and clearance sections, or frequenting thrift stores and yard sales, they know how to find quality items at affordable prices. By adopting a frugal mindset and embracing the art of thriftiness, you can save money on homestead essentials while reducing waste and supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, thrifting can be a fun treasure hunt, uncovering hidden gems and unique items that add character to your homestead. Tip 15. Homemade personal care products. Creating your own personal care products is not only a fun and creative activity, but also a money-saving one. Homesteaders often make their own soaps, lotions, balms, and even toothpaste using natural ingredients. These homemade products are not only gentler on the skin, but also free from the chemicals and additives commonly found in commercial products. By making your own personal care items, you can save money and have greater control over the ingredients that come into contact with your body. It's a beautiful way to prioritize self-care and embrace a more natural lifestyle. Tip 16. Energy-efficient home design. When it comes to building or renovating their homes, homesteaders prioritize energy efficiency. From proper insulation and ventilation to passive solar design and the use of sustainable materials, they create homes that are comfortable, eco-friendly, and energy efficient. This results in lower energy bills and a smaller environmental impact. Consider incorporating energy-efficient features like double-pane windows, solar water heaters, or a well-insulated building envelope in your homestead design. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Tip 17. Reusing and repurposing. Homesteaders have a knack for reusing and repurposing items to extend their lifespan and reduce waste. Whether it's turning old pallets into garden furniture, repurposing glass jars for storage, or using salvaged materials in construction projects, they find creative ways to give new life to discarded items. By embracing the principles of reuse and repurposing, you'll save money and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. It's amazing how a little creativity and resourcefulness can transform what might be considered trash into something valuable and useful. Tip 18. Natural remedies. Homesteaders often turn to natural remedies for their health and well-being. By making their own herbal teas, tinctures, salves, and remedies from homegrown or locally sourced plants, they can save money on store-bought medications and promote holistic health. It's an empowering practice that connects us with nature's healing power and encourages self-sufficiency. Learning about the medicinal properties of plants and how to prepare natural remedies allows you to take charge of your health and care for yourself and your loved ones in a more natural and cost-effective way. Tip 19. Save and harvest seeds. Seeds are the essence of future harvests, and homesteaders know the value of saving and harvesting seeds from their plants. By saving seeds from open-pollinated or heirloom varieties, you can ensure a continuous supply of seeds for future plantings, save money on purchasing seeds each year, and help preserve biodiversity. Seed saving is an art and science in itself, involving proper harvesting, drying, and storing techniques. It's a beautiful way to honor the cycles of nature and ensure the sustainability of your homestead for generations to come. Tip 20. Livestock and animal husbandry. Raising livestock and practicing animal husbandry is a common pursuit in homesteading. Whether it's keeping goats for milk, chickens for eggs, or rabbits for meat, homesteaders enjoy the benefits of self-sufficiency and cost savings in animal products. By producing your own meat, dairy, or fiber, you reduce reliance on store-bought options, support animal welfare, and gain a deeper connection to your food sources. Livestock and animal husbandry require knowledge, care, and dedication, but the rewards are plentiful, both in terms of self-sufficiency and the quality of the products you obtain. And there you have it, 20 money-saving tips inspired by the self-sufficient lifestyles found in Homestead Living. These tips reflect the wisdom and resourcefulness of homesteaders who have mastered the art of living sustainably, saving money, and embracing a self-reliant lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow homesteaders or those interested in this lifestyle. And as always, stay tuned for more practical tips and insights from our channel.